Okay, so here we are. I've got to try to explain my problem to you. The unit's connected perfectly fine. I've previously had a My Supercar Expert CarPlay system in here before, so I knew where all the wiring goes. I've double checked all the wiring. It's very straightforward and it's all okay. The screen's functioning fine. I just haven't got audio, and I know the first thing you're going to think is he hasn't selected Bluetooth as his media option, and I have. So I'm just going to demonstrate that the problem is lies somewhere else. So I'll go through it. Here we are. We'll select media and we'll select Bluetooth for my iPhone. You can see it's playing a track. I'll turn the volume up. So we're Bluetoothed to my iPhone here. Okay, let's go into the CarPlay system. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi as well, and you'll see it's gone into the system. Bluetooth here is showing that Iris is connected as the audio source, and the McLaren CarPlay is showing as not connected, but I believe that's what happens when it flicks over to Wi-Fi mode. So I'm aware that that's the case. So everything's working on the screen. Iris and iPhone is Bluetooth. Audio is selected. So now if we go into Spotify and play track, you'll see that the track is advancing, but there's no volume. Nothing at all. Nothing's coming through. And again, we're definitely connected to Iris. Let's come back out. Here we are. And it's also then not playing in Iris, even though it's showing the volume changing. It's not playing in Iris either. Now, it appears if I switch Wi-Fi off and go back into the standard Iris system and press play, I now have my audio back. And as you can see, I'm still in Bluetooth audio. So it's not a Bluetooth audio issue. That is selected. CarPlay is clearly working as a system. If I switch to CarPlay here, turn the Wi-Fi on down here. Here we are, starting CarPlay. You can hear the audio's just gone off. CarPlay's working. And no volume. Iris is connected. Thank you.